B syndrome. Hip, hip, hip. Pain in the hip is usually due to invasion of cold and dampness. From a Western medical point view, it may be due to OA. In the beginning stage, this can be successfully cured, whilst in the later stages, acupuncture cannot effect a cure. The pain is usually unilateral. Pain in the hip seldom occurs as an acute episode. It usually develops very gradually over the years. Distal point. The main distal point are as follows. Gallbladder 41 is the main distal point. It affects the hip and it expels dampness. It is the stream point of the gallbladder channel. And as such, it expels pathogenic factors from the channel. It is also the opening point of the girdle vessel which flows over the hip. Gallbladder 40 is the source point of the gallbladder channel, which is always involved in hip pain. Bladder 62 is the opening point of the young stepping vessel, which also flows over the hip. The young stepping vessels promote agility and movement, and this point is especially useful if the hip is very stiff. Spleen 3 can also be used as distal point as the spleen channel affects the inner aspect of the hip. It is especially useful if the hip pain radiates to the groin. Local points. The main local points used are as follows. Gallbladder 30 is by far the most important local point. It expels dampness and removes obstruction from the channel. It should be needled at least 2 inches deep with the patient lying on the opposite side and the leg slightly bent. Use of the warming needle on this point is very effective. Gallbladder 29 is a useful point to use in combination with gallbladder 30. Spleen 12 can be used as a local point, especially when the pain extends to the groin. So, ayan po yung drawing natin para makikita natin nasaan yung mga points. So, thank you for your attention.